117. Look at all you peasants driving.
Suckers.
I was so sad, dude, when I had to drive to Kiln. It was an hour and 35 minutes for me.
Oh my goodness.
I literally was like, and I put it in for flight, and it's like, if you took off right now, it would take you 12 minutes. And I'm like,
Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, it was windy. Yeah, it's been windy the last few days.
Yeah, 405 Sierra Pop's the only one that's available.
You want it earlier?
Oh, no. I'm just looking, because I can't take the N. It's only a
Do you want me
two-seater.
to book 405 Sierra Papa starting at 2?
Let me look when I get on the ground.
Okay.
I think I gotta see what I have planned tomorrow and see what my boss said. We're supposed to have our one-on-ones scheduled every week, or every other week at 11:30, and he always reschedules. So I don't plan flights. Specifically, try not to plan flights for that time frame. And he always reschedules it to like 3 p.m.
Wow.
And I'm like, well, boss, sorry, I'm not gonna make my one-on-one. I'm gonna be about 6,000 feet in the air and halfway across Indiana. So let's see if he actually rescheduled it for tomorrow.
Does he know you're flying?
Oh yeah. I'm really, really, really lucky when it comes. Like, I complain about my job, but like, I'm really lucky. My boss is really cool. He's not a micromanager. So like, as long as he knows like I'm doing stuff, which I mean, it's very obvious when I'm not doing stuff.
Yeah.
He's fine, and like as long as I'm getting my 40 hours in, he's fine.
That's good. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. My coworker just Wednesday was his last day. He got a job at Purina as a build engineer, and they're going to be paying him more than he pays than I get paid. And I was like, oh, that's good, man. Congrats.
And you're like, they hired?
The reason I can't leave Amazon is because they're so flexible with my flying schedule. Because like once I try to get my CFI, if I go into flight training people, I'm going to do that during the day and then work at night for Amazon right after I get done.
That's a lot. That's a busy schedule.
It's a busy schedule. If I get overloaded, obviously flight training has to take priority because I want to get my hours. But
you could always just buy a plane.
If I hit the lottery and I get my car's paid off, and our house loan paid off, then I'll buy a plane. I found a plane at Claremont. They're selling it's a light sport, 2.5 gallons per hour. $50 per hour maintenance was roughly what it cost.
Holy cow.
110,000.
Wow.
And there's a Cessna over in the other hangar, the blue hangars, that I saw up here. I don't see it listed anymore, but I assume it got bought. But it was 40,000. It was a 150. We haven't heard anything from Cincinnati in a while.
No, I haven't either.
I just feel like
probably all right. I wouldn't say anything. Maybe if we were actually in clouds, I'd be a little more worried about it, but.
Right.
I think this is kind of a slow time for him.
I mean, must be.
I guess you probably know they have pushes.
Yeah.
Those DHL pushes like 2 a day or something.
Yeah. So DSL, our push is about like noon to 3-ish, is when most of our planes out. 4 o'clock, most of our planes are gone. And 5 o'clock, they usually start rolling at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, they start rolling in slowly. But we don't have as many planes on night. We only have like 17 planes on night. We have like 20 something during the day.
Oh, wow.
Approach Cessna 848 5000, I got hotel.
Cessna 848, Cincinnati approach, rudder. Expect the visual approach from a 3 right.
Expect visual 3 right, Cessna 848.
Get everything in. Pressure, briefing, fuel. I'll turn the landing light.
Cincinnati departure, Skyhawk 406, Foxtrot Romeo, just departed Lunkin, runway heading 1,300, climbing 2,500 with the flash.
406, Foxtrot Romeo, Cincinnati departure, ident observed, radar contact half mile northeast of Lunkin Airport, Cincinnati altimeter 3022.
3022, 6 Foxtrot Romeo.
I've never heard
what
them.
approach do you want to clear my county?
Request RNAV runway 4 with climb out instructions, followed by the VOR Bravo at K62 with climb out instructions, and the back course localizer, Lima Uniform Kilo. Full stop.
Wow. The guy knows exactly what he wants.
With climb out
Okay,
instructions.
the localizer back course at Lunkin actually no longer exists. So we can do the RNAV 3, right, if you prefer that, or do
know
something
that
different.
actually. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's how you do that.
Lima Uniform Kilo is perfect.
Okay.
You know what else is going to exist here soon?
VOR Bravo.
That's right.
I think I
6
saw it's
Foxtrot
not even in
Romeo, maintain 3,000, and there's traffic just heading to your right about a mile and a half.
That's
Looks like
not
they
even in here
departed the
anymore.
airspace there at 3,100.
3,000, and we're looking for that traffic, 6 Foxtrot Romeo.
About
I know.
2 o'clock, 2 to 3 o'clock.
So how are you guys going to
mile and a
practice
half
VR
northeast.
Bravo then?
Looking, 6 Foxtrot Romeo.
Oklahoma 15 Echo, descend to maintain 4,000.
Descend, maintain 4,000, 5315 Echo.
Jet Sherry 848, descend to maintain 2,500.
2,500, Jet Cherry 48.
6 Foxtrot Romeo, turn right, heading 100.
Right 100, 6 Foxtrot Romeo.
Here's Butler County.
2,000.
And I didn't ask, do you want vectors for this RNAV 4, or do you want to go to a 6 for a procedure turn?
We'll do the procedure turn, 6 Foxtrot Romeo.
Okay, plan JAXA here soon. I'll get you that.
Oh,
Plan Jack, 6 Foxtrot Romeo.
here we go.
Jet Sherry 848, airport 11 o'clock and 15 miles.
I like 5,000 better.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad up there.
848 looking, Jet Cherry 48.
Woo!
Jet Sherry 848, join the final approach course.
Join the final approach course, Jet Cherry 848.
See how bumpy it is. See if I'll actually be able to do this short soft.
Oh, it's going to be.
We're 6 Foxtrot Romeo, additional traffic at 3 o'clock and a mile northeast sound indicating 2,400.
Looking, 6 Foxtrot Romeo.
Yeah, I'm glad that I was able to get the plane on Friday too, because like I'm gonna keep watching the winds on Saturday and they
We
just
have
keep
the
creeping up
airport
higher and
inside,
higher and
Jet Cherry.
higher.
Jet Sherry 848, cleared visual approach from a 3 right, contact Lunkin Tower 118.7.
Cleared to visual 3 right, over to tower, Jet Cherry 48, see ya.
Ooh-wee. It's bumpy down here.
Yeah, it is.
We're 6 Foxtrot Romeo, turn right, heading 160.
Say again, 6 Foxtrot Romeo.
6 Foxtrot Romeo, turn right, heading 160.
160, 6 Foxtrot Romeo.
We got airspeed, we're fine.
6 Fox Romeo. The traffic's kind of behind off your right side now. Looks like they're going to pass behind you, but at your altitude.
Traffic inside 6 Fox Romeo.
Thank you.
What would you consider this turbulence? Like light chop? Moderate chop?
It's light, I think.
North 6 Fox Romeo, proceed direct JAXA.
Direct JAXA.
What would you consider
6
it?
Fox Romeo.
I was thinking light. Light, maybe like some of them's getting a little bit in the moderate, but
Yeah, I agree.
for the most part light. About 90% light.
Yep.
Weather, wind 070 at 6, visibility
And 6 Fox Romeo has weather notice at 40.
low 1,000, temperature 6 Celsius, dew point -12, altimeter 3023. Sporty's Claremont County Airport. Automated weather observation 2104 Zulu. Weather, wind 050 at 5.
050 at 5. And 0. Woo! There's a moderate chop. And it was 3023. About 20 miles out. That's one thing too about the CAP 140 is it's a lot less responsive than the GFC 500.
Yep. Does way worse in turbulence.
It's quite bumpy up here.
It is.
Cincinnati approach, Kyle 5315 Echo, want to make a pirate.
Extreme turbulence.
Extreme! Funny, from up here you can see all of the like peach or the pear trees or whatever that are invasive. So like all the white trees you see down below,
Yeah.
all those are invasive pear.
Really?
Yeah. So they're really pretty,
They're
but
pear trees?
yeah, but they're like little inedible pears.
Oh. How'd they become invasive?
Somebody planted one because they're pretty.
And they just blew all over, huh?
Yep. There's like things that go around. It's like every this time of year, like that's a reminder that this at this point or this time of the year, it's a good time to prune your pear trees. To prune the pear, just make a nice clean cut at the base of the tree.
See ya. Whole tree gone. An airplane.
November 5315 Echo, I have other traffic landing in Claremont County. Just for my planning, are you planning to cancel IFR in the air or on the ground?
I plan on canceling in the air. We'd like to get set up for a 45 for the downwind on 04. We'll do a visual approach.
Roger, you can turn 10 degrees right.
Okay. Heading?
I don't know what's up with that.
What?
We're going right at it. 10 degrees right.
Yep, sorry.
10 degrees right though. There's GE.
Yeah, so it's 141, so we should do 151. I think I have the airport in sight too. So.
Departure, Judges 452, 2,500.
Judges 452, Cincinnati departure, Cincinnati altimeter 3021, ident.
3021, Judges 452.
You didn't say ident.
Judges 452, your radar contact, 3 miles northeast of Lunken Airport, turn right heading 120.
Right,
Some people don't even say that, they just hit the ident button.
November 6 Foxtrot
That's
Romeo, join the
acknowledgement.
approach from JAXA and do the procedure turn. I may have to have you spin twice, so just let me know when you're done with the first turn before start the approach.
All right, we'll do the procedure turn at Jackson, and I'll let you know when we're back inbound. 6 Oscar Romeo.
Where we at?
We're about 14 miles out. Should be out there somewhere. I think I see it.
That we have in sight. And you
Yeah,
cancel whenever.
The red side light right there.
No.
Jet 452, there's traffic, 12 o'clock, 5 miles opposite direction, altitude indicates 3,000, let me know if you see him.
Okay, we looking for him at Judges 452.
Cincinnati approach, that traffic is AM Sirius 940, Tango Sierra, 3,000, just off of Claremont County, looking for half hour to 145.
Sirius 940 Tango Sierra, squawk 6673.
6673, 0 Tango Sierra.
Jet 452, turn right heading 160.
Right, turn 160, Judges 452.
Cincinnati approach, Cog 5315 Echo. We have the airport site. We can cancel our flight following the VFR.
November 15 Echo, Roger, I'm just going to keep you just for a minute. Just maintain 4,000 for now.
Maintain 4,000. Stay with you. 5315 Echo.
Jet 452, traffic no factor, climb and maintain 4,000.
Climb 4,000, we got the traffic inside Judges 452.
Sierra 0 Tango Sierra, your radar contact 6 miles northeast of Lunken Airport. Maintain 3,000. I'll have higher for you shortly. There's traffic, 11 o'clock, 4 miles southeast bound of Skyhawk 4,000.
Maintain 3,000, we're looking for the traffic, 0 Tango Sierra.
November 15 Echo, there's traffic 11 o'clock, 4 miles northwest bound of Sirius at 3,000. Do you see them?
I believe we have the traffic in sight. Give me just 1 second. 5315 Echo. I see one right there. Straight ahead, 11 o'clock.
Oh yeah, that must be them.
We have the traffic in sight. 5315 Echo.
November 15 Echo, Roger. You said you were canceling IFR, correct?
We are canceling. We have the airport in sight.
November 15 Echo, IFR cancellation received.
Those. So.
November 15 Echo, do you still want flight following to the airport?
Negative.
Negative. We can get you from here. 5315 Echo.
Roger. Appears to be 2 in the pattern, so frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved. Thank you for your help. 5315 Echo.
November 0 Tango Sierra, you're cleared to the 1 Charlie 5 airport.
Just double check, make sure I'm looking the right way. Yep, I got the airport in sight. We're going to be landing on, oh, can't do that. I got out for autopilot. We're going to be landing on 04.
Claremont County traffic 21350 is turning left downwind runway 4, final.
Indy regional traffic Bonanza 6 Tango Mike.
8 miles out, we go and start descending.
Yeah.
Northeast will be ending left
We go right at it,
runway
too.
7.
Claremont County, I69 Sierra Papa turning left base for runway 4, Claremont County.
Nav. Altitude's armed. Get this vertical speed in.
Traffic, Sky 536 Sierra Papa is 5 miles to the southwest, inbound on the VOR Bravo, going to be low circle land, runway 4, Claremont.
Go ahead and get everything set up for landing. We're good. Flaps will do as needed once we get up there. Are we on the 45 for 04? Because we'll have to go that way for 04, right? The 45?
We're kind of on like more of a 90, I guess. But this is okay.
Hey, I know that. That means I'm over top my friend's house. See the mosque. Means my friend lives literally right here.
Oh, yeah. I guess we should probably increase our descent rate.
Yep, I've already pulled power out.
Climb County traffic 21350, turning left base, runway 4, climb out.
Climb County traffic, Skyhawk 5315 Echo is about 6 miles to the northwest. We're going to be joining the downwind for 04.
Climb County traffic, Skyhawk 5360, pop is 3 miles to the southwest on the VOR Bravo. Going to be low circle lane, runway 4, traffic permitting, climb out. Climb County traffic 21350, turning final for runway 4, climb out.
My controls.
Your controls.
Climb County traffic, Skyhawk 2 Foxtrot, November, 7 miles to the northwest will be in 45 to left downwind for 4. Full stop, climb out.
All right. The goal is not full length. Hard mode is short soft.
Put wheels down on the number 4, you'll be alright.
We got somebody off to our left or whatever.
Yeah.
I got them in sight. Yep, got them in sight. They're just under the pitot tube.
Okay. How far away?
Pretty good distance.
Traffic side 5360, your pilots are entering the left upwind for runway 4. We're going to cross midfield to the left downwind, runway 4, climb out.
Clear County traffic, Skyhawk 5315 Echo is 2 miles 45 downwind, or for downwind 04. We have the upwind traffic in sight.
Clear County traffic, Skyhawk 2 Fox November on a 45 to left down. We have the other approaching traffic from the west in sight.
Climb County traffic 21350 is clear, runway 4, climb out.
Yeah, are you
Climb
gonna
traffic 5360, your pop is going to continue on the upwind and follow in behind the 45 traffic on the downwind, runway 4, climb out.
What'd you say?
Alright, he's following us.
Well, that's why I was watching to see what he did.
Yeah, he just said he was going to follow us. So, I guess he will. I guess we'll take a landing first.
Great, now I gotta show off in front of people.
Ain't no thing.
Oh, I'm gonna fucking this is gonna be a terrible landing. I'm talking so much shit. It's gonna be
That's how it usually goes for me too.
It's gonna be a horrible landing. Clear County traffic, Skyhawk 5315 Echo, join downwind 04.
Clear traffic, Skyhawk 2 Fox November, midfield left downwind for 4. Full stop, climb out.
Left downwind 04. What? That's standard.
And Climate County traffic, Sky 406 Foxtrot Romeo is 12 miles final on the RNAV 4, Claremont. Claremont traffic 5360, your pilot turning a left crosswind, runway 4, we'll follow in behind this second downwind traffic, Claremont.
Clear County traffic, Skyhawk 5315 Echo, turn in base, runway 4.
Claremont County traffic, Sky 5360, your pilot is turning left downwind, runway 4, number 2, Claremont.
Clear County traffic, Skyhawk 5315 Echo, turning final runway 04. 5, pull that power out. Ooh, there's the waves.
Yeah.
Clear guy, traffic side 2 Fox November, left base 4, full stop, clear out.
Don't bring your nose up. Keep it down, out of power. Don't want to get too slow.
No.
Clearmont County traffic, Skyhawk 406 Foxtrot Romeo is on a 9-mile final on the RNAV.
No.
Easy.
Nice and easy on the brakes.
Sorry, traffic, 2 Fox November, final 4, full stop, clear out.
Clearmont County traffic, Skyhawk 5315 Echo, rolling clear, 04. I assume they're not hanging in one.
Clearmont County traffic, Shack 121 Uniform
This is an
Charlie is
odd block
about
plane.
4 miles inbound from the
That's
east.
right.
It's going to be crossing midfield and doing a right teardrop and left downwind runway 4, Clearmont.
They pay attention if they wanted you to hang or they'd ask you.
5360 Papa, turning base, runway 4, Claremont.
So ashamed of myself. I can't believe I didn't nail it. Just kept floating. It's a floaty.
Launch and float.
It's a floaty kind of day.
Yeah.
Give me some vanilla ice cream and some Barks root beer.
Root beer float.
Clearmont County traffic, Sky 2 Fox November, clear the active, clear out.
All right, let's get you out here.
Traffic 5360 Papa, final runway 4, Claremont.
Good.